morning, traders. Welcome to the Elliott Wave Street weekly update. I'm Juan Maldonado, and it's a pleasure to check the markets to start the week with some of our wave counts. So, before we start with the live market analysis, let's have a look at the Elliott Wave Street membership on elliottwavestreet.com. You are going to find the membership, and in the membership, we provide a daily market, Elliott Wave market analysis with precise entries, precise exits, and all the deep Elliott Wave analysis that we perform in all these instruments on a daily basis. We have this special offer for just $19 the first month on any of the memberships. So you can pick your membership and start getting immediate access to this fantastic Elliott Wave Street membership. All right, traders. So let's recap what we did on the euro. We were looking for a short trade. Let me show you the Telegram channel group that we have for our clients. You can get access to this Telegram channel as well when you sign up for the Forex or the full access membership. Look, so we triggered the trade on the euro at the 105.97 last week. Also in the here in the YouTube video, I also talk about this entry, and the stop loss 106.30 and the profit 103.6. So let's check the trade, and then we are going to talk about the next trade that we are looking. So the entry was on this candle. This was our trigger candle, this green candle right here on the top. Let me highlight better the cursor. There we go. So that was the entry, 105.97, the stop loss 106.30, and the profit here 103.60. So the way I traded, I went short right there, and roughly at the 1-to-1 risk reward ratio, I book partial profits, and that means I take out 50% out of the trade at that level. So I take out the 50%. So I risk one to get one to one risk reward ratio, 30 points and 30 points. So I take out 50% out of my trade at the level. Then around the 105.20 area, this area, I take out 25% more out of my trade. I like to scale out during the road, and then finally here the price hits the target. So there could be different ways of managing the trade. In the daily videos, I always explain the way I manage mine, but of course there are different views on the trade management. But something that we should agree is to book partial profits during the road. Maybe you like different percentage, or you like a 20% or 30% of your profits at the 1-to-1, or a 10%, or just moving the stop loss to break even. But the 1-to-1 on a trade is key, because there we can book some good profits. Now the price moves down strongly, and that was part of the plan to break down this low. I wasn't expecting that leg that strong. This was a little bit surprising. I was looking for a slower move, but anyway, that's good. So the next step, and now let's focus on this price action. The euro is extremely cheap. Is testing levels of 2002, so 20 years ago, and so far we don't have the big guy. We don't have the institutions jumping into the market. Clearly, we don't have any demand. So there is a little bit of a stop in action today at that 102.36. But in order to start building a position, we need a cause and effect, right? So the cause that needs to be built with these wave force is to start seeing the market building accumulation. And then here we need to have another three-wave sequence, and maybe this wave 4 could become more complex. Let's say that moves a little bit more sideways. Bigger is better here. Bigger in terms of time is better. So that will be building a new cost, and when the market finish the way forward, let's say that finish here, let's say, or here, whatever, and the price moves down, and this time the institutions they jump into the market and they go long, that's going to be an entry point. So precisely the same behavior that we were looking here in a distribution process, finding the top of the market, that same process with these reactionary waves are going to be expected here before we can do anything to go long. In the meantime, it will be a huge mistake to go short at these levels. It's extremely late. The short trade was here, not here, right? And we don't have a buy trade yet because the price needs to complete the accumulation process. And that's part of the narrative that we are starting to build in the membership for the week. So that's something interesting. Let's have a look at the S&P. On the S&P, we're also short. I went short last week here after this candle, and the price started this strong sell-off. Then we have a pause. We got yesterday a holiday in the US, so markets were closed, but the Globex market was still trading. And then we got a validation for the leg down. You can see how the price rejects this area after wave two. And the destination for the S&P is this low around the 3,650. I'm looking for another leg down. Actually, I'm a little bit surprised that the price didn't break down strongly today during the session. Let's see if it's gonna make the breakout this afternoon, or maybe wave two is gonna become more complex. But anyway, at the end, I'm looking for the price to test this lower area in the S&P, and it's going to be then similar to the euro. I want to have the price at this area to stop hunt all the stops that are here from bullish traders, to check the behavior of the big guy, of the big institutions at this area, and then to start probably building a bullish position. So I'm short from here. I want to book full profits under this area. I already booked partial profits, so I already have a safe trade. But anyway, at this area, I'm looking for the reversal and for something else to go long. So it could be interesting. Seems like a nice setup to follow the market after the leg down. All right, traders. So this is a sample of these two instruments that we are checking on this weekly Elliott Wave Street video. If you want to get our daily analysis, you can visit us on elliottwavestreet.com, hit on the membership tab. Here you're going to find all the details about each level of membership with three different memberships. You can sign up for the special offer of just $19 30-day access. So you are going to be able to test it out everything and understand all the process that we do, creating stories and building narratives around these instruments, and of course access to the education as well. And you will get immediate access. So I'll see you at the other side. I'll see you inside the membership. Please have a fantastic trading week. I'll see you soon. Take care. Bye-bye.